trying to put this trailer axle on. And how the hell is this supposed to fit in that shackle? It's so much bigger on both of these sides. What the fuck? So something happened, something went wrong on this trailer build. As you can see, hold on the other side. That's the front of the axle. It doesn't have the shackle, and it fits right in. This back one's gonna have, the shackle. Just like it says here, step 72. You don't need a shackle on the front. That's the front of the trailer that way. And secure 2 shackle links to the rear.
It may be necessary to use a dead blow hammer.
But on my trailer, I had something happen. I don't know if I messed up, because I can never mess up. But since the back of this, the front shackle is 1.5 inches. Get out of my way, you dumb dog. The back one, it's about 2 inches in the inside. On the outside, yeah. So the shackle won't fit in the back, and this front part won't sit in here because it's too small. So I put the shackle up front, but that's not how it's supposed to be. So this bigger shackle is supposed to go on the front, and this one's supposed to go on the back. But as you can see in here, that says passenger side shackle, and the driver's side is in the right spot too. You can see there, driver's side. So I don't know where it got messed up, but it got messed up. What the hell, man? Yeah, so that's a tip to make sure that happens. I don't think there's any difference in these two parts. So if you can, make sure the big shackle is in the front. So it'd go over there. I don't know why it's like this on mine. That sucks.